Good Wednesday, everyone. Looking at our weather map for today, we see lots of unsettled weather across the country. More fronts just kind of meandering around everywhere, and then you've got the atmosphere above that's always cold, and you get this warm, humid air rising up into it, and you get showers and thunderstorms, especially along those frontal boundaries. Flash flooding threatening portions of western Kentucky, stretching up through Illinois and Iowa today, as well as severe thunderstorms. And then flash flooding threatened portions of northern Utah over into portions of Wyoming. So an active weather day for the second day of August, that is for sure. And we're certainly going to get in on the action. Look at our 5-day forecast. Got a 20% chance for an isolated shower or storm today. Certainly nothing to cancel your outdoor plans, but it's a chance that we've not seen in a couple of days, that's for sure. Highs in the low 80s. And then tonight, going into Thursday and Friday, looking very wet, looking very unsettled, could be even quite stormy at times, and looking at some very heavy rainfall. We could be seeing, at least a few inches of rain between late tonight into Friday. So I think the National Weather Service in Nashville right now is saying 2 to 3 inches at least for the Cumberland Plateau out of this. So we'll see how our rainfall totals add up, especially with our meteorologist Mark Weather Watchers. We'll be keeping up with them and seeing what they collect in their rain gauges. And if you're one of them and you're listening to this, I'll be getting the spreadsheet ready, and you be ready to write down some numbers, because we're probably going to see some impressive rainfall totals across the area. By Saturday and Sunday, the rain chances drop down a bit to 50%, but stay tuned. That could change. Some models are wanting to put a little bit more on us than that. But just so you know, after today, it's looking very wet, very stormy, very unsettled. Not looking good for the 127 yard sellers. On this day in 1954, severe thunderstorms produced golf-ball-sized hail for 30 minutes in north central Kansas. One drift measured 200 feet long, 70 feet wide, and 3 feet deep. I bet that thing was around for a while. And in 1971, Apollo 15 lifted off the surface of the moon to return home. And that was the first mission, if I'm not mistaken, to drive one of the lunar rovers across the surface of the moon, so which is, of course, still up there even today. You folks have a wonderful Wednesday and keep looking up. I'll keep you posted on all the latest with this next storm system coming in. Some of the storms, like I said, could be strong, but some of the rainfall could also be very heavy. So I may issue a special update later this evening, especially for those of you who are planning on heading out to the yard sales, give you a little bit more specific forecast on that. You folks take it easy. If you want any more weather information, just keep reading along the blog, meteorologistmark.com.